Bought this S20 earbuds on Amazon. Had it a few days now. I was doing a test run on it. It's your standard supplies, extra buds, cable, but the case has this clear outer top that you're able to see through once it is closed. Now, one of the disadvantages with this case is that it's a little bit hard to open if you don't have any fingernails like myself, but other than that, it comes with the two nice touchpad earbuds. The case comes with the capability of monitoring when it is charging. As you can see, once they're charging, you can see there it indicates that the right is fully charged. The left, however, is also fully charged. The case has 76% remaining, and again, because of the tight fit, you have to really hold the buds to get them out. So as I was telling you, once the case is closed, you're still able to see through and monitor how much charge is there. As I said, I had it for some time, and that's the percentage of the case after I had it testing for some time. Sound quality is great. The noise cancelling externally, very good. All in all, it's a very good product. I would recommend it. The only challenge, as I told you before, is it's pretty hard to open. See, there's no latch, so you have to have like your fingernail there to kind of flip it open. The charge though, I would have really loved if they had upgraded the charging port to a regular C port, but it also comes with the normal USB slot. But very good product, and I would recommend using.